I just wanted to do a quick video showing you my progress so far. Print on demand progress, to be specific. I want to show you my how much I made and my spend, and just in general give you some quick tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. So guys, this is my merch by Amazon dashboard. On the resource dashboard, and on these resources, I like using these resources because it gives me an overview of everything I'm seeing. I mean, in terms of sales, it gives me an overview. So I'm actually looking at last month, which was January. I did about $500, actually $508.28 to be specific. And looking at my stats, it shows that I made my most sales from the UK marketplace, and that's quite surprising, because I was expecting most of my sales to come from the US, but most of my sales are coming from the UK, followed by the US, followed by Germany, France, Italy, Japan, then the Italian marketplace, nothing, not even one sale. That's so funny. So what I do is, here's a tip. What I'm doing is advertising in the US and the UK marketplaces, only those two marketplaces, because my designs are English designs. So I'm prioritizing it both for the English speaking marketplaces, which is the US and the UK, and that's why most of my sales are coming from them. But I was expecting more of my sales to come from the US and the UK, but it's the reverse. So my advice to you is, if you're not uploading to the UK marketplace, I'll advise that you do that, because it seems like there's less competition there. And although I spend very little in my ads, my designs are still standing out. I'm getting more sales. So $300, like a huge chunk of the $500, $300 came from UK, and a measly 95 came from US. So that's my tip. So on Zazzle too, pre-on-demand sales with Zazzle this month, or I mean last month, I did $200, $237.32. So all through my stay on Zazzle, all through I've made a total of 797. Will reach $800 soon. So in this video, I just wanted to give you an overview of how much I've been spending. I actually started advertising in December 2021, and it has made quite a difference in my sales. And this is the US marketplace. Like I said before, I advertise both in the UK and US marketplace. So this ad is for the US marketplace. So ever since December, I spent $135, and I've had approximately $1,000 in sales, 1,000 plus dollars in sales. And all my sales, all my ads are turned off right now. They're turned off right now. And for the for the UK marketplace, here are my stats. So ever since December, I've spent about £17 with a return on ad spend for $600. So what I do is, whenever I'm approaching a holiday, I turn on my ads, so I can rank my products. Then when the holiday is approaching closer, or maybe like 2 or 1 day to the holiday, when I know that people are not longer purchasing, I turn off my ads. So that's why you see this downflow like that. I turn off my ads. So anyone who is purchasing my shirts right now, I'm not spending anything. I'm just receiving only profit. So I've structured everything down in my course. If you're interested in, I'll tell you how to advertise, when to advertise, the beats, everything that has to do with ads, ad spend, finding designs, searching for trending niches, everything that has to do with print on demand. I have it outlined in my course. So if it's something you're interested in, here's my website. It's called moneyonlineofficial.com. And when you land on this website, you can scroll down to the bottom. If you want to get a 20% discount, you can enter your email address here. You're going to receive a 20% discount code directly into your inbox, and you get a brief overview about the Merge from Amazon course. So the topics, the first one is applying for a Merge from Amazon account. Here I give you tips on how to apply, including another tip for those who quickly want that account. I have an extra tip for you there. The next tip, next lesson is niche research using the free and paid methods. It's a 20 minutes video teaching you everything about niche research. And lesson 4 is how to design and scale your designs using automation tools. I know not many people know how to scale their designs, which is very important, especially if you are in higher tiers and you want to fill up all your slots very fast. Using automation, designing and scaling using automation is very, very important. So I teach you about it all here. Then the next lesson 5, how to upload using automation tools. Number 6 or 7, how to advertise free and paid methods. This here is very, very important because advertising is one of the reasons why my sales have increased. So I tell you how to bid, the bid you should use, when you should turn on your ads, when you should turn off your ads, everything associated with ads, print on demand ads using Merge from Amazon is very, very important right here. I tell you all about it here. Then the last is uploading to other print on demand platforms. So that was the Merge from Amazon course. I'm gonna go to the Kindle Direct Publishing course and show you what to expect. So for the Kindle Direct Publishing course, what you're going to expect is applying for your Kindle Direct Publishing account. This is very easy. It shouldn't take you more than 1 minute to open an account, but I still tell you how to do it here. Then niche research again using free and paid tools, how to make book interiors in case you want to make your own unique book interiors. Next lesson, how to make cover design. So many people don't know how to design. There are resources out there that will make your design cover very, very pretty, because customers buy your book based on your design, because there is swarm of books out there, but your cover is gonna be the thing that's gonna make you stand out. So your cover should, a bad cover is gonna not make you have sales. So in this tutorial I'll tell you the best way to design your book covers. In the next one, how to design a hard book cover, because hard book covers are different from paperbacks. So I show you how to design hard book cover. Then how to create your listing, that's your title, description, and keywords, which is very important because these days you just drop a book up there and you expect it to make sales without listing your keywords right in your title description. So in this model, I show you how to do that. Then I also show you how you can increase your book categories from 2 to 10, because normally when you upload your categories are 2, they give you only 2, but you can add an additional 8 to make it a total of 10, so your books can be seen by more customers. Then second to the last lesson, I show you how to advertise your book, because advertising is what will make your book be placed in front of customers, so a potential customer can buy your book and you start making sales as soon as possible, because the first 24 hours that your book is online is very, very important. So if customers can start purchasing your book within those first 24 hours, then it's the likelihood of you making more sales is going to increase. Then the last model, how to become a bestseller on Amazon, or how to receive that new seller tag, new release tag on your book. I show you how to do it here. So this is what I offer you on this website, moneyonlineofficial.com. And if you're interested in, don't hesitate. There's a lot of information here that I took time to compile. So if you're struggling, I have a discount for you. Like I said before, 20% discount. Just put in your code, put in your email, and you receive the discount directly into your inbox. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.